tight IT bands and your knee collapsing in do have to do a lot with each other, as the IT band connects into the knee joint. But consider also that this could be stemming from the hip. Actually, most likely it does stem from the hip. I'm going to show you a safe IT band release and how to keep your knee from collapsing. These are fascia balls. This is what I'm going to be using today. And if you don't have these, you could also use a tennis ball. Just make sure you don't use a foam roller. This is where your IT band starts, and this is where it ends. So we want to find about the midpoint of the IT band, and we're going to use these as like trigger point therapy. So we're going to place the balls right in the center of the IT band. This is running north-south along the length of the IT band. And I'm just going to relax here. I've got a block under my head so that I can really relax. I'm going to roll out a little bit if it's too uncomfortable, or roll forward if I need more pressure on that IT band. And usually with balls, we want to roll, but with this, please don't roll. Just hold. This is going to give you a better release, and staying off that foam roller will keep your IT band safe, as you can actually damage that connective tissue. So just hold and breathe and do your best to relax. You're going to start to feel your body really relaxing here. And you should stay for about anywhere from 1 minute to 3 minutes and wait for your body to relax. And you'll kind of know when you feel like you're done, you'll feel relaxed and you can come out. The next exercise we're going to do is a crescent lunge. Find 3 points in the hip, outside of the knee, outside of the ankle, and the line that would connect those. You're going to energetically press out into this. Don't do this though. Press way out and move your leg way to the side. It's just an energetic push. So you might feel it as gentle. You're welcome to lift the arms up to lengthen the spine, or keep the hands on the hips so your hands have somewhere to be. Hold this for 1 minute, for 60 seconds. Just that light pressure into those 3 points and the lines that would connect them. This will help to keep your knee from collapsing in. And another thing you can do is stand. Anytime you're standing with your weight in your heels, push your heels apart. This is traction. Notice how subtle it is, but you really feel kind of the bones of your legs and the knees pressing outward here. And then here's for the hip. This is likely where this comes from, is glute medius. So we're going to do a reverse clam. Lift your heel up off the floor and keep that heel up off the floor for the entire exercise. So the toes are going to be touching the floor, especially the pinky and the next one to it. And your knee is going to rest on a block or something about 4 inches high. You want to push your foot and your knee and just feel it here. Only here, right here in glute medius. All right, now we're pushing the knee, pushing the toes into the floor, feeling only glute medius light up. Make sure it's not in your hip flexors. Make sure it's not in the big part of your glute medius. Gustav has come to say hello. And you want to turn this on and off, making sure that when it turns on, it's only that muscle. Use less effort if you need to. Make sure it also turns off as you release the pressure, and then hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Breathe with your belly. Remember that consistency is key, so keep it up. And if you want a deeper dive, you're welcome to click my link.